This is Raja Sir from Grade 5 Acharya Hospital, Nagar.
Now we are going to play a board game. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2. I took a pencil from my box.
5. I have a pen.